Okay, so with the 10mm, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this bolt right here to remove this cover. So it's just 110. On the other side, you just pull up. It should be like a little clip. There we go. There you go. Put it on that side. Okay, now we're gonna find the tensioner for the drive belt. So the other trick I like to do is pull on it and see what pulley moves. And it's gonna go ahead and be your tensioner. Okay, so you wanna go ahead and either take a picture or you could draw out the pulleys to see how the drive belt is routed. So with the 16, we're gonna go ahead and let's do the 16. Okay, so with the 15, I'm gonna go ahead and release the tension, like so. Move it out of the way. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this out of the way. So we could go ahead and release this pulley right here. Add our pulley. It's making noise as you could hear. With the size 14mm, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt. Okay, it doesn't fall. Put that on the side. Let's go ahead and compare it to the new one, make sure it's the right one. Make sure there's no washers or anything like that we need to transfer over. And there is one, but it's right here. So we're going to go ahead and start like that and put it back. Then we're going to go ahead and torque this to 36 millimeters. Okay. It's like, okay, so this is the old belt. We're going to go ahead and replace it. So what I like to do is I like to measure it to make sure it's the right one. So I like to grab from one end and then stretch, make sure it's the right one. And it is. Okay, so we're gonna start putting the belt how it was. Okay. I want to make sure it goes into the grooves, like so. Go ahead and move it down here, so it go in there. Okay. Go ahead and grab a 15. Before we loosen it, make sure it goes, it's in between the grooves, not like that. Okay, you just want to make sure this goes in the hole, and then you want to go ahead and install this 10mm. There you go. That's it.